everybody, it's Nathan back with another episode. And today, we're doing something a little different. We're having a strongest engine competition with 16 competitors.
All right, let's
the
see.
last strongest engines we had in the past were only 8 competitors. So let's get to it. Round 1. It's Thomas versus Streamlined Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, that's interesting. From the normal Thomas. The normal Thomas goes through to the next round. Hold on a second. Just a little bit over. Just a little bit over. No, let's put it in the back. Let's move these guys up. And our next round is Victor versus Wayne Thomas. Hold on, I just need to get the wings out. To know it's the Wayne Thomas. Oh, accidentally close one. Here we go. Oh, Victor thinks he's a good match so far. Now it's going to be the match we haven't seen yet. Hugo versus Salty. How we say that?
No, we have not seen that one yet.
We've already tested this one. I think Salty might win this one because that's who won the test. Yep, Salty definitely wins.
Hands down.
Wait, yeah, this Victor one. Got a little confused over there. All fine. Now it's Donald versus Glenn. Donald has won. For a second I said Donald's.
All right, who's next?
Next up, Steven versus Philip. And they're on. So let's just magic to get into this match. Just need to do that. So that means Philip won. Let's switch them down. I think Philip won that with a little help.
Okay.
Because they weren't moving. Reneus versus Stephanie. Stephanie was just able to make it into the contest. And gets defeated. Not bad attempt from the Stephanie. The Stephanie. Now it's Caitlin versus Original Thomas. Oh yeah, I want to mention Hugo and Wayne Thomas still might be out. And look for the other one of them.
The other video?
No, the other engine from that series.
Oh, okay.
We haven't made a video on that one.
All right.
But also, look out for that Salty. Here we go. Caitlin versus Original Thomas, and Original Thomas won.
Original Thomas is a pretty strong engine.
And here's our last round, round one. Match 8.
Yep.
Now it's Connor versus Yellow Rheneas. Connor was also just able to make it into there. And Connor's just won!
How did Connor win? Rheneas looked like he was taking off there.
His coupling was still on the track.
Oh, okay, okay.
That counts.
Yep.
So here's our winners.
Yep. On to the next round.
Okay, round 2. Match 1. Salty versus Normal Thomas. And Salty took another one for victory. If you didn't see our video unboxing Salty, he won the strongest engine. We haven't seen that from any other engine.
Yep, that's right.
So
Okay.
it's round 2, match 2. Donald versus Victor. Ooh, that's a really close battle. Oh, Donald might be coming back.
Or they might be stuck.
Oh, Donald took the victory. I had to turn on the track because they weren't moving. So it's Philip versus Rheneas. Good luck, Rheneas. I hope you guys have good luck in our round. Oh! Good luck, Philip. I have to throw the floor to see who won, and that goes to Rheneas. Unlucky, Philip. Good try, though. Now it's Connor. Just managing to win, but now it's against a new design, which could be trouble, and which is sending Connor out.
Yep.
Now we'll fight.
Our last 4. Here's our semi-finalists.
Round 3, match 1. Donald and Salty are going to compete. And then on round 3, match 2, is going to be Salty and Original Thomas. Salty and Donald are fighting. And this might be a victory. Yep, that definitely is a victory. If you didn't see it in the episode, this was the first match of them all, so we definitely know Salty won that.
Okay.
It's going on to the last round, round 4. Match 1. He's going on to. That was Rheneas versus Original Thomas. Original Thomas taking it. Rheneas looked to be coming back.
Mm-hmm.
But Original Thomas doesn't let it happen.
Pushed him out of the way. Okay, let's see our last 2.
Our last 2, Salty and Original Thomas. Salty's won! Let's take a look at the winner.
There's Salty. What a good competition. All right, Nathan, what do you have to say to everybody now?
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Goodbye.